Inside the box, you will find the grips. Each grip has two sections, a top and a bottom part. Now pick up the grip. Glide the bottom end of the grip into the handlebar as shown in the video. Next, take the Pulsepods. Separate the bottom part from the Pulsepods. Now fix this bottom section onto the outer end of the grip. Apply gentle pressure and push it in firmly. Make sure it sits exactly as shown. Now take the top part of the Pulsepods. Align it with the bottom section. While fixing, turn it slightly in a clockwise direction. Fit it in until it sits properly. Now for the final step, take the 3mm Allen key provided in the box. Start with the top bolt. Tighten it in a clockwise direction. Make it firm and secure. Next, tighten the bottom part of the grip using the Allen key. Now repeat the same process on the other side. And that's it. Your Pulsepods with grips are installed. You're ready to ride.